Okay, here we are again with a box opening.
God, I hope there's no peanuts in there.
Alright. A lot of box openings on this channel and nothing's getting done. Yet anyway. Alright. Oh, more effing peanuts. Maybe I could do this without making a mess. At least they're the bigger peanuts. Alright. Let's get the speaker out first. What do you think that was? Oh, you know what? That looks like a dish. Some kind of dish. Alright, here's the speaker. Let me get this out that I can really get it out without making a mess. Okay, there's the speaker. There's the microphone. Don't you just love peanuts? Okay, I did it without getting peanuts everywhere. Okay. This I'll save. The peanuts I won't. Okay, that. Come on. Trash. This in here, get this out of here, get this out of the way. Whew. Now record. Huh. Okay. All right. There it is. Stand over here and get it back. Oh yeah, see on the air light, it's an 858. All right. Yep, it's another Dwight D. Another Dwight D. Eisenhower. You know, I wish they would have just put President Eisenhower instead of just Dwight D. Like they do now with these new President garbage Chinese radios. Lincoln. Of course, they don't make base stations anymore. So they gotta put good presidents' names on junky Chinese mobile units. Look at that. Guy knew how to pack. President speaker. Okay. Let me get this over here. Okay. Take the little chips out of it right here. Oh well. Okay, there it is. Okay, what we have here is another Dwight D. Eisenhower. Oh crap, that looks like it's cracked. I can't feel a crack, but it looks like it's cracked. What a deal. Okay, these knobs are just, look, they're just barely on. Mic gain and sticking out. RF, it's wobbly. See it wobble there? Okay, that's... Luckily this wasn't extremely expensive. PANBSWR. It's got on the air light. Okay, hold on. Let's plug it in and see what happens. That's strange how they... Whatever. All right. Man, this razor blade's getting dull. Man, it is real dull. Get off of there. Alright. Boy, what the hell is this guy's fucking deal, man? Come on. Tied this thing up? Okay. Alright. Alright. Let's see. Okay. Oh, that was an odd. Okay. If you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm plugging it in right now. Okay. Alright, here we go. And is the clock going to work? Lights up. All the numbers seem to work. Yep. Squelch. Okay. Alright, so the clock isn't working. On, off, okay. Yeah, everything's working except for the clock. But I got gears for that. Yep. motor in the clock isn't working. And the knob fell off, of course. Boy, that's loose. Okay. Well, there it is. A Dwight D box opening. Another radio I gotta fix. Clock ain't working. I can fix that. I got gears. There's the speaker. There's the mic. Okay. I believe this one was like 160 something bucks. Well, the case ain't all banged up and scratched up. Everything looks good. Okay, you'll see this one on the bench later. 10-4.